Hey there, YouTube family, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's sure to take your intimacy game to the next level. 6 things that women love in bed. Now let me tell you, it's not just about knowing a few moves. It's about understanding what really makes a woman feel connected, desired, and truly satisfied. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have some serious insights into what will leave her craving more. Ready to get started? Let's go. 1. Emotional connection. Building intimacy beyond the physical. Alright, let's start with something that might surprise you. The number one thing that women love most in bed isn't even physical. It's emotional connection. Yep, it's all about the way you make her feel. And it starts long before you even touch her. Women thrive on emotional intimacy. If she feels loved, respected, and understood, the physical side of things becomes that much more powerful. So, talk to her, ask her about her day, and genuinely listen. Show her that you're invested in her as a person, not just as a partner in bed. When she feels emotionally connected to you, she'll be more relaxed, more open, and much more excited for what's to come. Trust me, that emotional bond makes all the difference. 2. Sensual touch, slow and intentional. Now, let's talk about something that's often overlooked, sensual touch. It's not just about diving right into the act. It's about taking your time and making every touch count. Women love when you're slow and intentional with your touch. Here's a tip. Start with gentle caresses. Run your hands along her body, exploring her skin with light, lingering touches. And don't forget, the more you focus on those erogenous zones, like her neck, her lower back, and her inner thighs, the more you'll build that sexual tension. The slower, the better. When you take your time, you're building anticipation, and trust me, that anticipation is what drives her wild. She'll be craving more, and it'll make everything that comes next so much more intense. 3. Communication. Asking what she likes and needs. Now, this next one is a game changer, communication. It's one of the most important things you can do in bed, and it's something that a lot of people tend to overlook. But here's the thing. Women love when you ask them what they like, what they need, and how they feel. It doesn't have to be awkward. Just ask her. Something like, "Does this feel good?" Or, "What do you want me to do next?" Makes her feel like you're fully invested in her pleasure. It shows that you care about her experience and that you're paying attention. And don't forget to tell her how amazing she's making you feel too. Compliments go both ways. When there's open communication, it makes everything more connected and satisfying. 4. Foreplay. The key to great intimacy. Now let's get into something that's absolutely essential, foreplay. If there's one thing that women absolutely love in bed, it's when you take your time and really focus on foreplay. Rushing into things isn't going to get you the reaction you want. Trust me, start with passionate kissing, gentle teasing, and exploring her body with your hands and lips. Don't be afraid to slow down and let her know that you're enjoying every moment. The build-up is what makes the climax that much more satisfying for her. Plus, focusing on foreplay shows her that you're invested in her pleasure, not just your own. And when she knows that you're fully engaged and focused on making her feel amazing, she'll be even more excited for what's next. 5. Variety. Keeping things fresh and exciting. Alright, here's something else that women love, variety. No one wants to do the same thing over and over, right? Switching things up, trying new positions, and keeping the energy fresh and exciting will keep her engaged and looking forward to every moment. It could be as simple as trying a different room, a new position, or even adding a little playful element like teasing or roleplay. Women love feeling that you're creative and willing to explore new things together. It keeps the experience exciting and dynamic. Plus, when you're open to experimenting, it shows her that you're confident, adventurous, and comfortable with her. Qualities that make everything more fun and memorable. 6. Aftercare. The importance of what happens after. Asterisk asterisk. Now, let's talk about something that's often forgotten, but incredibly important. Aftercare. It's not just about what happens during intimacy. It's also about what happens afterward. Women love feeling cared for and appreciated after the fact. Aftercare can be as simple as cuddling, talking softly, or giving her gentle touches after the main event. It shows her that you care about her well-being and that the connection you have isn't just about the physical act. It's about emotional closeness too. Whether it's holding her close, sharing a laugh, or just lying together in comfortable silence, these moments are what solidify the bond between you. When you make her feel safe and cherished, she'll want to be close to you again and again. So there you have it. The 6 things that women absolutely love in bed. Remember, it's not just about the physical moves, it's about building emotional connection, taking your time, communicating openly, and making sure she feels valued throughout the entire experience. Trust me, if you incorporate these tips, you're going to see a whole new level of intimacy in your relationship. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.